Hi, again I am back with another example of critical thinking and application of knowledge. So we all have studied, that means our children have studied about solar system, planets and all these things. But whether they got questions which force them to think critically or to apply their knowledge in real life situation, that we have to see. That's the important of the main aim of education. Here I have come up with one question which is for your children. This is for grade 3 level, grade 3 and 4. 5 also can try this one. So question starts in this way, that this is a flow diagram here, a flow chart that shows that starts from here. That celestial body, that object is natural? No. Then your answer is X. Is it natural? Yes. Next condition, revolves around objects? Yes. Revolves around the sun? Yes. Then your answer is Z. Revolves around the objects? No. Then your answer is Y. This is a question. You can give it to your children. So you can look at it carefully. And then after that, I have given 4 options. Option A, option B, option C and option D. So let's check in this condition which option suits the best. So what we see here, we start from here. Is it natural? No. So answer is X. So what is X? In option A, X is moon. Option B, X is moon. Option C, weather satellite, which is not natural. So this may be an answer. Option D also says that X may be a TV satellite, television satellite. So this may be an answer. So C and D are our best possible answers. So we can simply say that A and B are not our options. So I just erase it. I don't want this thing because now I have pinpointed 2 of my options. I have to see which one is correct. So now again you can see. So now we know what X. X may either be a weather satellite or a television satellite. Fine. Let's move now. Start. Natural? Yes. Revolves around object? No. Which object doesn't revolve around a celestial object, let's say? So options are Y can be sun or Y can be sun. Yes, in both the situations we see that Y is sun. So again either C or D. We don't know. Let's move further. Check. Revolves around this object? Yes. Revolves around the sun? Yes. So Z is our answer, and Z here says Earth and here Z says star. So stars do not revolve around the sun. So this option is cancelled and our answer is D. So this is the answer. That means natural? No. So answer is X. X can be a TV satellite. Fine. Natural? Yes. Revolves around the object? No. So the sun doesn't revolve around any celestial body. So that is sun. So that is correct here. Now revolves around the object? Yes. Revolves around the sun? It can be any of the planets. Right? So here our planet Earth is given. So Z is Earth. So this is the answer. So you can see that our answer is D. Here, what do you feel? What are we trying to ask? We are not asking about your knowledge. We are asking about whether you know how to apply your knowledge in this condition, in the given situation. Number 1, how you think. That's important. How you think about this question. How you proceed with these kind of situations or the problems. That's important. And that is why these kind of questions are formed. So in NWIS, we have plenty of these type of questions. Plenty. We have a huge resource for critical thinking and understanding and knowledge and all these things and application of knowledge. So again, I request you to send your children to NWIS. Number 1, in summer vacation, we have no summer vacation, so we are open physically and virtually for both the classes. So if you want to have more adventure in knowledge, more adventure in learning, more adventure in knowing the things in a very mind-blowing situation, come to us. We are there to help you. Thank you.